Hi! So throughout this challenging time, I have a video for you all. I know a lot of you guys are probably cursing me right now because why am I still here with a makeup tutorial after all the incidents that have been going around. For that, I would request you to watch the entire video. So let's get started. I have moisturized my face off camera. Now I'll start with foundation. And to blend out that foundation, I'm going to take a clean beauty blender. Make sure that your beauty blender is not dirty like the political system of the country. Country naam bola jabe na, naam bolle chakri thakbe na. I'm going to apply the foundation to get an even skin tone, unlike the uneven roads and traffic system. I'm making sure to take a full coverage foundation so that I can hide all my scars just like we hide corruptions and crimes. You know it's in our genes, right? Now I'm taking some concealer to conceal all my dark spots and bumps. It's like you know it's there, but it's covered just like corruption, injustice and violation of laws in the country. Now I'm going to bake my face with some loose powder so that my base is strong and fixed just like the unity of the students who were protesting for a better future. Now let's start the eye makeup. So first I'm taking a green eyeshadow on my inner and outer corner of the eyes. Make sure that the shade is as green as Batabi Lebu. Now with a tiny blending brush, I'm going to blend this shade really slowly, just like the implementation of law. Now I'm going to take a red eyeshadow on the middle part of my eyelids and make sure that the shade is as red as the blood of the protesters. I'm going to smoke out my lower lashes with some black eyeshadow, just like the smoke that came out of the tear gases that were thrown at. I guess you guys already know what I'm talking about. I'm not going to curl my lashes before applying the mascara because it's not important to do it every time. But if anyone else tells you to do it otherwise, then trust me, it is a gujo. Now with a contouring powder, I'm contouring my face. People think it's necessary to cream contour the face, but trust me, that is also a gujo. I'm contouring my face to make my cheekbones look hollow, just like the minds of some people in the country. Now I'm highlighting to bring attention to the places where I want, unlike the media who turned a blind eye. Now I'm going to add some fake eyelashes, which is as fake as the word democracy in the country. I just applied some lipstick to bring attention to my mouth so that when I speak up against all the wrongdoings, my voice is visible, noticeable and heard. And that's it guys. I have no idea what's going to happen after I upload this video, but I really needed to get this out of my system. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and hopefully I will see you guys next week. Bye!